If you need to save a citation for any of the records that you have found in your online search, you can do so within the record itself. You can see that's where I am now. Right here under the Send To menu, you'll see a list of icons. Click on the quotation icon in order to get a direct citation then and there. This new window will pop up with the citation listed here, which you can copy to a clipboard or just copy directly here by highlighting. Notice on the left-hand side, we have a couple of style guides, and that if you click on them, the actual citation will change accordingly. Now this is computer generated, so it's very, very important to note that you check this for accuracy against your own style guide before actually including it in your work. If you have another program that you are using to store citations, you have access to them under the Send To menu as well. Just look for different icons. We have a link here to RefWorks. We also have links to EasyBib and EndNote should you prefer to use those programs. Note that those programs do have separate logins in order for you to use.